Morning, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. We have stepped into the new year, and still the pandemic persists. Damn. So I was thinking, where should I go, and decided. Obviously, you guys know from the topic that I'm going to go Goa. எவ்வளோ நேரம்பா சிக்னலு காலங்காத்தால
One eternity later.
It's about 7:20 and we are still in Chennai. According to my actual plan, I was supposed to be in or around Gudiyatham by this time. யார் சார் ஸ்ப்ளெண்டர் கொஞ்சம் வழி விட்டிங்கன்னா நல்லாயிருக்கும். I'm hoping to reach Goa by tonight itself. I'm not planning to stop anywhere, take rest. The route that I'm planning to take today is I'm right now in near MCC, Madras Christian College in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, Tambaram. As you can see, I am taking the Mudichur road, taking the Poondamalli road. It's an absolute waste of time. Take this road instead. This is actually pretty fast. You go through Mudichur and then take a right. I think it's called Nanmangalam, that place. You go through Nanmangalam and then you would get out at Sri Perambatoor, right next to Rajiv Gandhi Memorial. பானை மாதிரி இருக்குடா இடுப்பு வந்து அவர் கிளாஸ் ஃபிகர் இதுதானோ. So, if you can see, time is about 1:30 now. I'm near Tumkur somewhere. I had food. Actually, I'm near Neelmangala. I had food near this place, this restaurant, and I'm starting for Goa from Tumkur right now. It took me exactly 4 hours to reach Bangalore and another hour for me to cross Bangalore.
After a not so satisfying lunch break, I continued my journey towards Goa. My friends had suggested that I take the route via Chitradurga, Davangere, Hubli, Karwar, and finally Arambur, Goa. The roads were wide with very few vehicles on them. I had a blast riding my Tiger above legal speeds. The route was about 567 kilometers of flat, empty and beautiful roads. I covered it in 9 hours to reach Goa by 10:30 p.m. Total duration of the ride, 15 hours to cover 980 kilometers from Chennai to Goa. That was a lot of riding, so I call it a day. Next day afternoon, my friend took me to Mandram Beach, and this happened. After that exhilarating performance and a beautiful evening, I had to take a walk on the beach and call it a night. The following day, I left Arambur and headed towards South Goa to meet another friend of mine. I was still reminiscing in the last night's memories, and I managed to break the traffic law and get caught.
Uh-oh.
साइड में रोक लूं? क्या हुआ?
आप जो बड़े वाले ब्रिज से है ना भैया,
हाँ
बड़े वाले ब्रिज से है ना, फ्लाईओवर से,
हाँ
हाँ, वो टू व्हीलर के लिए अलाउड नहीं है, तो फाइन है उसको।
कितना?
700 फाइन है। एक काम करें,
हाँ
200 का चलन देता है ना।
ठीक है।
हाँ तो मैं ही करता 15। हाँ यार,
थैंक यू।
चलो।
थैंक यू।
After the pleasant encounter with the cops, I rode to meet my friend. South Goa was absolutely different from the north. This part of Goa was calmer and I liked it.
208 is it? By P5 208.
Finally, my friend and I had time for the much awaited dinner and a dash of gossip on the side. The Goa episode had come to an end, and I started my journey back to Chennai the next day, promising myself to come back and explore the beauty of Goa once again.